Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Will County in northeastern Illinois, southeastern Cook County in northeastern Illinois, northern Porter County in northwestern Indiana, northern Lake County in northwestern Indiana, until 9:45 p.m. At 8:57 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Fort Heights, or over Glenwood, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Hammond, Gary, Tinley Park, Calumet City, Portage, Merrillville, Valparaiso, Chicago Heights, East Chicago, Cherryville, Hobart, Lansing, Crown Point, Highland, Munster, Dolton, Park Forest, Madison, Griffith, and St. John. Including the following interstates: Interstate 57 between mile markers 338 and 349. Interstate 80 between mile markers 150 and 155. Interstate 94 between mile markers 69 and 74. Interstate 294 between mile markers 69 and 74. Indiana Interstate 80 between mile markers 1 and 16. Indiana Interstate 90 between mile markers 2 and 37. Indiana Interstate 94 between mile markers 16 and 32. Indiana Interstate 65 between mile markers 251 and 261. This includes Indiana University Northwest, Purdue University Calumet, First Midwest Bank Amphitheater, Governor State University, Indiana Motor Speedway, Indiana Dunes State Park, Prairie State College, South Shore Railcats Baseball, and South Suburban College. For your protection.